Hi there, this is Dr. Mark Wireman, and welcome to a brief video on the cardiomyocyte action potential. On the left side, we're showing a graph of the membrane potential, and on the right side, we're showing the membrane with the particular voltage-gated channels. We have the sodium voltage-gated channel, the calcium voltage-gated channel, and then the potassium voltage-gated channel. So let's begin. Now this cell is going to be chilling at a resting membrane potential at a -90. But then it's going to receive some positive ions from its neighboring cell until it reaches threshold. Now this threshold is going to be for the sodium voltage gated channels. And once you hit that threshold, sodium is going to rush in and the memory potential is going to become more positive. This is called rapid depolarization. Now at some point at the top, or actually near the top, the calcium voltage-gated channels are going to open, and calcium is going to trickle to the inside along with the sodium. Now at the top here, at this voltage, sodium channels are going to close, and sodium cannot enter the cell anymore. However, the calcium channels are still open, which will cause a trickling in at that area, at that time. Another thing that's going to happen at the top here is the potassium voltage gated channels are going to open. And potassium is going to get kicked out during this time frame. And what this creates is it creates a plateau. And during this plateau, calcium is trickling in and potassium is getting kicked out. So it's a little bit of a battle, which creates that plateau. Now at some point, right around here where I'm putting this mark, the calcium channels are going to close and calcium cannot trickle in anymore. However, the potassium channels are still open, and so potassium gets kicked out, which makes the membrane potential become negative, and that is repolarization back to the resting membrane potential. And this cell will just wait until it receives other positive ions from its neighboring cell for the next beat. All right, I hope this video helps you. Thank you very much.